W.R. Prior Co. Limited was founded in London in 1919 by Walter Robert Prior and Andrew Physics. Prior quickly became renowned for manufacturing high-quality microscopes for medical and educational institutes. From 1919 to 1939, Prior Scientific continued to manufacture compound microscopes. During this time, W.R. Prior also manufactured research microscopes. World War II saw the manufacturing at Prior change from microscopes to military optical components as part of Prior's help with the war effort. However, in 1941, the factory on Eagle Street, London, was badly damaged during the Blitz, and as a result, relocated to North End Gate, Bishop's Stortford. After the war, in 1945, Prior again started to manufacture its range of microscopes. In addition to microscopes, Prior began manufacturing micromanipulators and light sources at its Bishop's Stortford factory. The post-war expansion continued, and in 1956, a new state-of-the-art factory was opened on London Road, Bishop's Stortford. During the 1960s, Prior broadened its range of products, launching the Solitaire and Prior Lux microscopes, and in 1962 developed an integrated microscope and cell culture chamber for the Imperial Cancer Research Fund, London. Complete with cinema camera for live cell imaging and time-lapse recordings, it was Prior's first venture into customization. In 1969, the Prior Scientific Group was formed by merging W.R. Prior Co. Limited, Charles Perry and Eureka Scientific. In 1979, Prior started to manufacture the MacArthur range of portable microscopes, and in the same year changed its name to Prior Scientific Instruments Limited. In 1981, the company expanded its product portfolio yet again by acquiring James Swift, a company renowned for the manufacture of geological, metrological and biological microscopes. In 1984, the first handheld fibre optic inspection microscope was manufactured in collaboration with British Telecom. In 1987, Prior manufactured their first motorised XY microscope stage. This was made for Foss Electric, revolutionising the screening of milk samples for bacteria. In 1988, disaster struck when a blaze engulfed and destroyed the whole of the Bishop's Stortford site, forcing Prior to relocate to a new site in Fulbourn, close to Cambridge. With the advent of microscope digital imaging in the late 1980s, Prior launched its first general-purpose motorised stage for upright microscopes. A motorised stage for inverted microscopes soon followed. In 1991, Prior Scientific Inc. was formed in the USA and located its first US office in a suburb south of Boston. In 1988, Prior launches the ProScan and OptiScan range of stages and controllers. In 2007, Prior opens its first office on continental Europe in Jena, Germany. And in the following year, introduced the first robotic slide loader with a capacity of 200 slides. Prior continued to grow their range and global presence, introducing the ProScan 3 range of stages and controllers in 2010, and in the same year, opening an office in Tokyo. Continuing the quest for automation and high-throughput screening, Prior introduced the robotic well plate loader in 2014, and the OptiScan 3 controller in the following year. Since 2015, Prior has increasingly focused on customized solutions with unique applications, while continuing to manufacture precision automation components for microscopes.